How much I spend in a day as a Taiwanese in New York City. Hey guys, today I was staying in New York City and I thought it'd be interesting to share with you how much I spend in a day exploring this vibrant city. So join me as I take you through my adventure and break down all the costs on the way. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I simply ran into this super lovely cafe and I decided to treat myself with this cheese bacon croissant. The cost for this delightful start to the day was $16. For transportation, I took the air train from JFK to Jamaica Station, then I bought a metro car for a subway, which amounted to a total of $21. As I wasn't very hungry during lunchtime, I opted for berry mix box, which cost me only $6. Then I decided to spend my whole afternoon on this sightseeing city bus, which cost me $40. I found a great hostel called High NYC, which provided a comfortable bed and a vibrant atmosphere. The cost for the hostel and dinner was $82, which was a reasonable price considering the location. And that wraps up my day as a Taiwanese in New York City. From breakfast to accommodation, the total amount I spent was $152.
Whoa!